Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to reinstall Windows 10 on an older PC or laptop. This is a 2013, I think. But if you see this sticker basically on a laptop or a computer, usually that means that they have the serial number already included on the computer. So basically, if you install Windows 10, it might usually, like 99%, it might activate from the first start. So that's a quick, secret not everybody's gonna tell you. So in the previous video I showed you how to install, how to make a bootable USB for Windows 10 bootable USB. So you can install Windows from USB. If you didn't see it, just go and check. It's really easy. So now basically we stick it in any USB and connect the power. Make sure you have power. It might not install on a battery. So now we're gonna open it, start it up, and in HP usually it's escape to get to the main menu. Other laptops had other buttons like F10 or F9 or F2. Just check online which button you should push to get into the boot option. Okay, oops, we don't need that. We need to reinstall it. So just push escape. And we should have a message, a menu. Okay, we have this menu. Here we're gonna go to F9, boot device options. Right here. And I don't know if you can see, we have a few options here. And we go with the external USB hard drive. Just like that, hit that. And now we're gonna wait. Sometimes it might take a few minutes. Don't restart the computer, just wait at least like 5 minutes. If it's an older laptop, just wait a little bit more. But usually should be like less than 5 minutes. It should boot up. Okay, we have here some movement. And here we go. We are here right now in the menu. We can choose language if we choose different languages. Location, hit next. You can repair your computer or you can install it. So we're gonna install it. Bring this one closer. So now we're gonna scroll all this, or you cannot scroll to just check this mark right here. Next, you can upgrade or custom install. We're gonna do custom install, and you see we have all this stuff right here. We're just gonna delete everything. So delete every single one. Like all this small stuff. Delete it. And now we have only one unallocated space. We're going to create a new one. Apply. It says that I sure, yes. And now we choose the last one. Not the first one, not the second one, the last one, which says primary. And hit next. And just wait for everything to install. It should take a few minutes. I'll be back when it's ready.